your Houstoun Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Elizabeth here with us this afternoon. And Elizabeth's boyfriend, Juan, is a Houstoun self-professed crack addict. And he referred Elizabeth in here to get chiropractic care. And you had chiropractic care back in 2009 3 or 4 times, right?
Right.
And this is your first time here at this office.
Yes.
You came in with some neck pain, mid-back pain, some tension headaches, right shoulder pain, numbness and tingling in your arms and hands and fingers and legs and feet. And you've also had some left knee pain as well as some SI joint pain on each side, right?
Right.
And I think that about covers it. So I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation. So we're going to perform her very first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief today. So I'm going to have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards and just show them how I know you're a side sleeper. Okay, so in evaluating her posture, her head is forward by about, what's that, about 2 inches of her shoulder? Forward. She's forward, and she sleeps with her head turned this way all the time because she's rotated this way in her biomechanics and her posture. Posture is a mirror of your spinal biomechanics. That's how I can tell if somebody's a side sleeper, if they lean on their console and drive or cross their legs all the time. All the above, right? Mm-hmm. Texting a lot.
Right.
Let's go and you tell me for me. So again, we've already done her orthoneural evaluation, but her left leg is shorter by about 1/4 of an inch, and then it gets about 1/4 of an inch longer when I bring it up, and that tightens up in her low back and pelvis. Now, I palpated her SI joints, and she's tender on her left one right there, right?
Yep.
More so than her right one. But she's also got tenderness right here at L5, L4, L3. All these are a little tender, aren't they? Mm-hmm. And then up in the thoracolumbar region, she's got what's called paraspinal hypertonicity. That's where the muscles are tighter than normal. These are also, aren't they?
Yeah.
And that's tender right there, too. She got a lot of knots in her shoulders here. Those are her trapezius muscles. Those are called muscle bundles. Sometimes they develop into trigger points. Now she's also got misalignment at C5 and 6 on the right, C4 on the left, and she gets headaches right here at the base of her skull that goes around up into the top of her head, right? Mm-hmm. I want you to lock this right leg straight, lift your whole right leg off the table. Okay, relax that one. Do the same thing with the left one. Now, it was harder on this left side, wasn't it?
Yes.
So that's a positive sacral deviation test on the left. So I'm going to start off adjusting her left SI joint and sacrum. The sacrum on the left side is right in the middle triangular shaped bone in the middle of the pelvis. Now I'm going to adjust her right SI joint. I'm going to go back to her left SI one more time. And then I'm going to come straight P to A in the Z-axis on L5. Some of these will be a little sore at first, Elizabeth. That's all right. They'll feel better when I get done. There. Yep. Okay. Keep breathing. Oh, yeah. Crack addict's going to love you. There we go. Now, one kind of brought you in here as the guinea pig, didn't he? So her cervical spine has straightened out from the normal forward cervical lordosis. So I'm adjusting the curve back in her cervical spine there. Let's turn you on your back. The adjustments I do here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief are on the X, Y, and Z axis. This being the X axis, this being the Y axis, and this being the Z axis. Okay, lay back. There you go. Slide down this way about 1/2 an inch. There you go. That's it. Perfect. Now, just put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. So I'm going to adjust your shoulders now. Your clavicle where it attaches to your sternum. These might be a little sore at first too. Sore? Yeah. That's because your mid-back vertebrae are misaligned with the ribs, which also attach to your sternum here. Okay, I want you to relax your leg in my hand here. There you go. Boy, I heard that one over at the Hyatt. Felt that in your knee and your low back, didn't you? Same thing there?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let's sit you up, face up towards one. There. Okay. Want to remember to keep your chin up. There's your right shoulder. Left shoulder. Let's get your elbows now. There we go. You'll be running circles around one this afternoon. There we go. One, you'll have to get in here and get adjusted just to keep up. There we go. Boy, you noisy all over, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's come over here on this table now. Her spine is compressed, especially up between her shoulders and down to the lumbar spine where it attaches to the sacrum. We call that lumbosacral region. Whew, that's why I'm not flipping these pins too much and break my toes. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna feel tight. Yeah. Feel like you're in there tight enough? You're not gonna get away? Breathe shallow through your nose, let your legs relax and bend. Now this is your first time getting decompression, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I want you just to relax your neck and just breathe through your nose. Just like that. I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down, because I know you did. Okay, let me have you here. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Now wiggle your right big toe. Atta girl. Good job. Hanging in there?
Yeah.
Okay. That ring dinger is a little more intense than it looks on YouTube, right? Okay, so let's have you kind of get up sideways and push yourself up with your elbow. Bring your legs over to the side. Sit up sideways. Don't sit straight up. You always want to get up sideways. Okay, and then we're going to stand you right here in front of the mirror. Okay. Now, I'm going to have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards again. Back to neutral. Take a look in the mirror right now. See our head come up and back more? Shoulders are more squared off. But here's your homework. You're going to let both shoulders straight up and then back simultaneously. Flare these hands backwards like that. See how it tightens up your whole trapezius muscle? Then your head's forward and to the right. So see, we're going to bring it straight back this way. A little bit. Look in the mirror. A little bit left. Translate. Now look back at the wall behind you. Squeeze those shoulders together for me. There you go. Feel a little tap there. There. Okay, now let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me again, Elizabeth. Did that feel any different than your previous ones?
Yeah, a little easier.
A little smoother?
Mm-hmm.
See if they notice anything different about my instrument attachments there. Okay, so you're going to be sore after your very first adjustment, kind of like a new workout.
Right.
If you get too sore, you put crushed ice in a freezer baggie directly on the skin for 20 minutes. Not a gel pack or frozen peas. It has to be crushed ice in a freezer baggie.
Okay.
You can do that anywhere it's hurting. You probably have soreness from 0 to 72 hours, kind of like a workout.
Mm-hmm.
First workout, you know, you get sore.
Uh-huh.
The same thing's going to happen here, so expect that.
Okay.
But other than that, do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
Yeah, just sore.
Just sore?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's normal. Okay, so a lot of people out there that have been watching our YouTube videos for years, like Juan, I want to know what your very first experience was like with the history, examination, and the adjustment. Did I do a thorough history exam on you?
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was painful, but I think
The
it's
exam
worth
was?
it. Yes. No.
The treatment?
Yes. But I know it's.
It's one of those hurt to
long
good
run.
things.
Right. Yes.
Yeah. What, do you have anything further you'd like to tell everybody?
I recommend coming to him. I mean, he'll crack you up.
That's good. I'll crack you up. Good. This is your Houstoun chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.